Hello everyone, myself Prajakta Awad. I am from Guru Govind Singh Polytechnic, Nasik. I am second year electrical student. My group partner name is Akanksha Chauhan and Dhanashri Mohite. Today is our topic name is C-type Burden tube. This micro project is guided by Miss Parneet Kaur Chaudhary ma'am. Burden tube pressure gauge. Burden tube pressure gauge are used to measurement of pressure from 0.6 bar to 7000 bar. They are classified as mechanical pressure measuring instrument and thus cooperate without electrical power. This video work out with the following. First, working principle. Working principle of burden to pressure gauge. Second, construction. Third, working. Fourth, advantages and disadvantages. If you are working principle of burden tube pressure gauge, when an elastic trench used such as burden tube to a pressure, this deflection is proportional to a measure. Second, construction. C-type burden tube consists to belong involved cylinder, unlock circular cross section which is sealed onion. This tube is made for material such as phosphor bronze, steel, beryllium copper and attached by like mechanisms which operates the pointers. The other end of tube is defined is open for application of the measure which is used to measure the tube desired welding to the
application of pressure which is to be measured. The tube is soldered or welded to socket at base through which the fluid whose pressure is to be measured enters the C-type burden tube. Working of burden tube to pressure gauge. As the fluid under pressure enters burden tube, it tries to change the cross section of tube from oval to circular, and this tends to straighten out tube. The tip of burden tube is connected to a segmental lever through an adjustable link. Segmental lever end on segment side is provided with which meshes to a suitable pinion mounted spindle holds pointer. The resulting movement of free end tube causes
The resulting movement of the free end of the tube causes the pointer to move over the scale. In real life application, the pressure gauges are mounted with the siphon tube. Siphon tube is a simple device used to protect a pressure from high temperature medium such as steam. It can also be used to reduce the potentially damaging effect of rapid pressure change. When first installed, the siphon should be filled with water or some other suitable separative medium. This medium continuously remains in contact with the burden tube. Burden tubes are generally made in three shapes. First, C-type, second, helical type, and third, spiral type. Advantage of burden tube pressure gauge are: first, this burden tube pressure gauge give an accurate result. Second, the cost of burden tube pressure gauge is low. Third, burden tubes are simple in construction. Fourth, they can be modified to given electric outputs. Fifth, they are safe even for high pressure measurement. Sixth, accuracy is high especially at high pressure. Disadvantage of burden tube pressure gauge: first, they respond slowly to change in pressure. Second, they are subject to high terrace. Third, they are